10 Ways for Children to Earn Money in 2023. Anything your child does to make money should be approved by you first. After all, children cannot get to many of these odd jobs without their parents' permission or transportation. 1. Babysit. If your child is interested in babysitting, even if they are only 10 to 12 years old, you can help them find babysitting jobs through your friends and neighbors. That way, you'll be more at ease with the house where your child will be left alone. Sometimes a mother's or father's assistance is required, so your child is not always alone. 2. Make a yard sale. Helping your children sort through their old clothes, shoes, and toys is an excellent way to help them earn money. Set up a yard sale for them, and let them keep whatever money they make. 3. Make your children employees for your small business. If you work for yourself and have any tasks that your children can assist you with, you can pay them to do so. The tasks can differ depending on the age. However, even young children can assist with tasks such as sorting and shredding mail. 4. Organize other people's belongings. If your 11 or 12-year-old child has a knack for organization, they might be able to provide this service to others. You'll need to assist them in finding people who will let them organize for them, with your help, of course. 5. Walk the dogs. Most kids enjoy walking dogs, and most adults could use some assistance. Plus, if you can do it together, you'll both get some fresh air and exercise. 6. Wash cars. If your child is younger, they can offer to wash the cars of their neighbors. Some car washes may be willing to hire them once they are old enough and can legally work with a work permit. 7. Water plants. Help your child find families who are on vacation, working long hours, or are elderly and could use some assistance with their plants. 8. Work in the yard. Most of us require assistance with yard work on a regular basis. If you are willing to lend your yard equipment to your children, this could be a great money-making opportunity in your neighborhood for them. Not to mention that it's easy money. 9. T-shirts are being sold. Creating and selling T-shirts has never been easier than it is now. A graphic designer and a screen printer are no longer required. There are numerous websites dedicated to designing, marketing, and selling your own T-shirts, including Shopify, Zazzle, Teespring, Cafe Press, and others. 10. Among their peers, become a product flipper. One of my children has been passing out candy and shoes to his classmates and neighbors. If your child has a keen eye for a bargain, this could be a lucrative business for them. If you like my video, press like. Do share this video with your family and friends to help them. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching my video. Have a blessed day.